Use this great advice to help you stop snoring. Do you snore? Do you know what snoring is? Do you know what can cause snoring? Were you aware that it can be treated so that you can get a good night's sleep? That's right, it can. The following video can help you see what can cause snoring and what can be done about it. Believe it or not, you can effectively beat snoring by repeating your vowels a few times a day. What this does is move around muscles in your throat and face, and when these muscles get stronger, your chances of snoring are slim to none. You can do this 3 times a day. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. You may want to think about getting a mouth device to prevent breathing through your mouth when you sleep. Breathing through your mouth, and not your nose, can cause snoring. These mouth devices block breathing through your mouth and encourage you to breathe through your nose instead. Speak with your doctor about this option. Do you have a better understanding of what snoring is now? Do you know what can cause snoring now? Are you aware of current treatments that can be used to treat the condition? You should be better informed about snoring now. Try applying these tips so that you can remedy your snoring problem. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.